COVID-19 is devastating, and it has really traumatized my body. And as such an artist, I have my material, which is my body. My body is the only tool I have on expression. And according to the Yoruba indigenous people, there is a way to protect the body, and that is the way I am going to do it. I'm going to protect my body so that I can move like a bird and fly. COVID 19, the science has failed, but my people cannot fail me. There is a power in the Yoruba, there is energy that is contained in the civilization of the Yoruba. And this civilization, I shall use it as I use the knowledge to protect my body, because my body is my material, my body is my tool, my body is the only language that I have. I got to protect it.